Greetings, tech enthusiasts. This is Tech Vortex, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the future, the Samsung Galaxy S25. Fresh off the buzz of the S24 series, the anticipation for the S25 is already building. Join me as we explore potential release dates, leaked information, and our very own wishlist for what could make the Galaxy S25 a true marvel. Current brilliance, future aspirations, reflecting on the Galaxy S24 series. While the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra have recently graced the tech scene with their presence, our discerning eyes have identified areas for improvement, as detailed in our comprehensive reviews. The Galaxy S series, known for pushing boundaries, leaves us yearning for more, and thus, we've curated a wishlist of key upgrades we hope to witness in the Samsung Galaxy S25. Dreaming of the ideal Galaxy S25, our wishlist. Design revolution, aesthetic innovation is on our radar. We anticipate a departure from the familiar design language, ushering in a fresh, captivating look for the Galaxy S25 series. Camera mastery, building upon the impressive camera setups of the S24 Ultra, our wishlist includes advanced features, enhanced low-light performance, and seamless integration of AI for an unparalleled photography experience. Battery brilliance, uninterrupted usage is the dream. We hope for a significant leap in battery optimization, complemented by faster charging capabilities to keep pace with our dynamic lifestyles. Display prowess, as pioneers in display technology, Samsung could explore higher refresh rates, HDR enhancements, and potentially introduce novel display technologies for an immersive visual experience. Software sophistication, the synergy of robust hardware and refined software is paramount. Our wishlist includes a streamlined, feature-rich user interface with intuitive AI features that enhance rather than overwhelm. Early whispers, Samsung Galaxy S25 leaks and insights. Expected arrival, with the Samsung Galaxy S24 series making its debut in January, the S25 series is likely to follow suit in January 2025, adhering to Samsung's trend of early-year flagship launches. Potential pricing, positioned as premium flagships, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to start at $799/£799/1,399 Australian dollars, with variations based on regions and configurations. Leaks and rumors, glimpses into the Galaxy S25 future. Processor power, leaks suggest the adoption of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, promising significant performance enhancements. Camera upgrades, insights hint at superior camera sensors, potential design changes, and a variable zoom telephoto lens for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Design tweaks, early leaks suggest significant design changes, possibly including a slightly larger screen for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Battery boost, speculations point towards larger batteries across the S25 lineup, promising improved endurance. 200MP camera, wild rumors propose a groundbreaking 200MP main camera for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, accompanied by various other camera improvements. While leaks add spice to our anticipation, a dash of skepticism is warranted. The journey to the Samsung Galaxy S25 promises excitement, innovation, and possibly a few surprises. Stay tuned for updates as we navigate the evolving landscape of smartphone technology. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Tech Vortex is your portal to the future of tech.